Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. I want to discuss alicyclic and aromatic compound IUPAC name. Rules for IUPAC nomenclature of alicyclic compounds. Number one, alicyclic compounds are named as the corresponding open chain hydrocarbons with the prefix is cyclo. Cyclo is friends prefix is cyclo. And if there is only one substituent, then numbering of the carbon atoms of the ring is not required. If there are two or more substituents, same rule as that of open chain compound are applied. So friends, whatever you have understood that the alicyclic compounds are named as the corresponding open chain hydrocarbons. So friends, here one the examples. This is the so this let's start one examples. So there are three rules that we have discussed for the any alicyclic compounds. We are going to discuss it with help of few examples. So talking about the first one, that is this is the one that we have, and we have to give the normal t-shirt. So friends, this is the normal t-shirt. You can see that the total number of carbon atoms, the total number of carbon atoms that are present over here. So the presence over here is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms have been present over here. 5 carbon atoms are have been present over here. This is basically an any-cyclic compound. In terms of an open chain, this is would be coil has a pending, but this is not pending. This is basically a cyclic pendant because it is a alicyclic. The name of this one would be this is cyclopentane. This is cyclopentane. So this is the name is basis cyclopentane. So friends, you see that this is cyclopentane because pentane means pentane. This is cyclopentane. Friends, I have already told that if 5 carbon atoms there, so this is pent, and N is only one bond, then it is the N, and cyclo, because the rule of this is the cyclo is the prefix. Cyclo is the prefix in here, so I put in here cyclo is as a prefix. Now I talking about this diagram. Talking about this diagram, we have to count we have to count number of carbons. So let's start. this is 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Friends, CH3 is my functional groups. See that, yeah, this is the functional group CH3. CH3 my functional group. So my priority is the prior. This is my priority. This is my priority. So it is the first number of atom. First number I give in here. First number. After that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 6. So friends, in here 6 carbon. So I count total 6 carbon atoms over here. 6 carbon atoms over here. But this is not benzene, because there is no unsaturations of carbon of 4 here ends. We could see, therefore we could call it as apparently named cyclohexane. But to talking about the function that has been attached in this case, and even talking about the photo talking about the photo, here methane is being attached. Methane is being attached. Methane is being ATT AC. Methane is being attached in here. So friends, actually its name is cyclohexane, but methane is being attached. So this name is 1 methyl 1 methyl cyclohexane. 1 methyl cyclohexane. Let's talking about this diagram. In here I count the number of the carbon. The number of carbon is been 1 2 3 4 5 6. The number of carbon is basically 6 carbon atom over here. 6 carbon atom over here, but this is not benzene. But this is not benzene. This is not benzene. Why? Because there is no unsaturations of carbon atoms. There is no unsaturation of carbon atoms. And you cannot get any unsaturations. Unsaturations carbon atomic bond. So friends, it is alicyclic compound and I numbering. So friends, you have to see that the functional group, which is my priority. Priority is obviously my priority is in here. Highest portion is OH. OH my priority. OH my priority. It is OH. Hydroxy group. Hydroxy group is my priority. Let us count this 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if I shall count in this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So friends, my adding 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 1 plus 5 equals to 6. This is larger, so I cut it. I take this portion. So I shall count this way. I remove this portion. So whatever I see, my structure name is 3-methyl. This name is 3-methyl cyclohexane 1 all. This name is 3-methyl cyclohexane 1 all. Let's start this. This is also same carbon. If I count the number of carbon, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we see that that it is not benzene, because it is not unsaturated. Carbon bonds position is not unsaturated, so it is cyclohexane. And this is not cyclohexane. So friends, I can write this way that my first priority is OH is the first priority, because this is the hydroxy. So 2-methyl cyclohexane 1 all. Now I am talking about this diagram. So friends, this diagram is very, very interesting. This is the interesting diagram. Where is my bond? My bond is in here. This is my double bond in here. So double bond is my first priority. So first priority is double bond in here. So I can write in here 1. After that I write in here 2. It is 3. It is 4. And this portion is, this diagram is C2H5 diagram, and this diagram is CH3 diagram. So friends, I can write 2 ethyl because alphabetically E is and alphabetically ethyl is the first priority, so I write 2 ethyl. After the 3 methyl cyclobutane, because double bond means double bond is N, and triple bond is ine. So friends, 2 ethyl 3 methyl cyclobutane. This is my name of the nomenclature naming. Now let's start this diagram. So friends, let's try to count the numbering of the carbon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. another way is here 1 2 2 3 4. So friends, whatever we see that whatever we see that there is a we see that we could there are 4 carbon atoms over here. There are 4 carbon atoms over here, but this is 4 carbon atoms over here, and double bond numbering is done to give least possible numbering to functional group. High priority is double bond is high priority high priority, and prefix is CH3. This is prefix. So friends, this is the name should be 1 ethyl 2 methyl 1 ethyl 2 methyl cyclobutane ENEN, because double bond means ENE, double bond means ENE. So my priority is in here. This is my this prefix is 1 methyl 2 methyl, and N is my suffix, and but is my word root. And now let us talking about this picture. Let's numbering this diagram 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can numbering this way, and alcohol is my prefix. Prefix is alcohol, and as the O is the first priority, because this is the ketone. On is my first priority. On is my first priority. So friends, whatever we get, this value is 3 hydroxy 3. This way OH is not possible, so I think that this 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. It is, and another way 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is my this priority, so I cut this. So whatever I get, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So my priority is this, so I take this bonding. So it is the 3 hydroxy 3 hydroxy cyclohexane cyclohexane. So this is my IUPAC name. Now let's talk about the common name. I am talking about the common name. Common name is CH4 is methane. CH3, CH2, CH3 is N-butane. and CH3 whole 2 CH3 is the isobutane, and CH3 whole 4 C is called neopentane. CH3 CH2 CH2OH is N-propyl alcohol, is N-propyl alcohol. HCHO is formaldehyde. HCHO is also a formaldehyde. CH3 whole 2 CO is called acetone. CHCl3 is chloroform, and CH3COOH is acetic acid. C6H6 is a benzene. C6H5OCH3 is the anisole. C6H5OCH3 is anisole. C6H5NH2 C6H5NH2 is aniline. C6H5COCH3 is acetophenone, and CH3CH2CH3 is the ethyl methyl ether. So friends, this kind of organic compound is available in the market, and we have to know this name. And now we are discussing the benzene. This diagram is called naphthalene. Double benzene is called naphthalene. Triple benzene is called anthracene. And this benzene is called phenanthrene. This benzene is called phenanthrene, and this is called phenol. This is called phenol. This is called phenol. It can be written as hydroxy benzene. It can be called hydroxy benzene. This is called benzol. This diagram is called benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. This is called benzoic acid. As this diagram is called COO. This is COOH. This diagram is called COOH, and this value is called CH3. So I have let's count the number of the atom, carbon atom. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 6, as OH my the highest priority. This is highest priority. So I take priority. So I take it is number 1. After that 2 3 4, and if I will go in this way 1 2 3 4 5, if I can write this way, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. This way if I can write, then we see that it is the 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. This is totally wrong. And this way if I will write 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So this is my priority, because this is the lowest number. Lowest number. So I can write this way, that 3 4 dimethyl hydroxy benzene. Diethyl hydroxy benzene. So 3 4 dimethyl dihydroxy benzene, it can be written also 3 4 dimethyl phenol, 3 phenol. Thanks for watching, friends. I will create another video based on IUPAC with the practice, and I will practice a lot of carbon compound. So wait for next video.